What's going on, guys? It's Raph. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut roll-up doors in the new update, as well as other things that you can cut with the K12 saw. So if you go to the Fire Academy, I've added this new area which has all the tools laid out for you and how to use them and their purposes, as well as where they can be found. So here you got one of the new roll-up doors. They've been redesigned. As you might recall, you could open them by cutting the lock, which is highlighted here. Now there's some cases where this might not work, so the way to open them, you could cut this lock, or you can also cut these horizontal bars, like so. Once you do this, you can use a halligan, an axe, a pike, or a hook to poke the roll-up door bars out. In some cases, you might need to make sure you get all the bars cut. You might have just a few. So in this case, I need to go back and improve my cut here. Aim your K12 here. Now when I go to poke these bars, they'll come off. We can go ahead and walk through our roll-up door. So that's the secondary way to open roll-up doors, aside from cutting the lock off. Usually when you cut the lock, the roll-up door will roll up, but in some cases that won't happen. So you can do this method. That's pretty much it for this video. Check out the rest of the tutorial series, and the more you know.